Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently got actually for my birthday. It is Vanilla Birthday Cake by Philosophy. It came in a box with a vanilla birthday cake matching lip gloss, which smells amazing, just like this product does. So basically what it is it's a 3-in-1 kind of product. So it's a shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. What I really liked about it, besides the fact that it smells good and it's 3-in-1, is I tried it, like lathers up really well. It has a rich lather and it smells great, but it doesn't have like a crazy scent to it. It smells exactly like what you would think it would smell like, birthday cake. It's not too strong, like I said. So this is the 240 milliliter, 8-ounce plastic bottle. So for Philosophy, they have like this cute little vanilla birthday cake recipe on the front. 3 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, half a cup of margarine, quarter cooking oil, 3 cups of sugar, 5 eggs, half a cup of evaporated milk, a 1/3 cup water, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon of butter flavoring, combine flour and salt. Beat margarine, butter, and oil for 30 seconds. Add sugar. Beat until fluffy. Add 1 egg at a time. Beat 1 minute after each. Combine milk, water, and flavorings. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. Cool for 15 minutes and remove from pan. Cool on wire rack. So I think that's kind of cool how like there's like a recipe on the front of a bottle. Like you won't find that. I think that's pretty unique. You won't find that really elsewhere. I already knew that Philosophy doesn't test on animals, which I'm of course very happy with. There's their website, philosophy.com. They sell this online and different like beauty supply stores, distributed by Corey Prestige in Paris. And I'm guessing the distributor is in Phoenix, Arizona. So on the back it explains vanilla birthday cake, the size, and the shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath. I think men can use this too. It's just as rich and it's not, like I said, too overpowering, so they're not going to smell girly. It's a world-class, absolute delicious shower gel, gentle enough for everyday use. And it's just a caution, use only as directed. Excessive use or prolonged exposure may cause irritation to skin and urinary tracts, which is a little bit scary. Discontinue use if rash, redness, or itching occurs. Consult your physician if irritation persists. And of course, keep out of reach of children. And then they have the ingredients listed here. A lot of stuff going on. So it's the aqua, sodium lauryl sulfate, laurel betaine, glycerin, certain things that I really can't even pronounce, perfume, fragrance. I would say like, you know, sunflower seed oil. Like it has some natural stuff in it, but there is like sodium sulfate and like a lot of chemicals going on, so that could be a little bit scary. Of course, it's not like an all natural product or anything like that, but of course that doesn't mean that it doesn't work well or smell really good. So it does lather up a really nice bath and is nice, you know, to use as a shampoo. So I just wanted to open it up and like show you guys. So it's like, of course, yellow, just like you could see on the outside. Makes a really nice shower gel too. And like I said a bunch of times, it's really not potent at all. Just rinsing it off my hand. So like I said, like, you know, I leave it in the shower and my husband can use it. That's totally fine. And of course it came sealed up and I opened it because I wanted to go ahead and try it out, but I literally just got it for my birthday, and I think it makes a cute birthday gift. Vanilla birthday cake, and it came with the lip gloss, like I said, so that was kind of cool. Makes a good gift for somebody or just for yourself. And of course, like the 3-in-1 property is nice. So like, say you're traveling somewhere and like you don't have a ton of room in your suitcase to pack like a shower gel, a bubble bath, and the shampoo, like you could just carry this one thing and that works pretty well. Of course, it's too big to put in a carry-on. That has to be 3 ounces or less. This is 8, but I'm just saying you could put it in your suitcase if you don't want to carry a ton of stuff around. So this was Vanilla Birthday Cake, 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath by Philosophy. I hope you guys try it out and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.